Hi everyone, welcome to RDRC YouTube channel. If you are a working professional, especially in wind energy sector, this video is going to help you. If you are a graduate looking for a job opportunity in wind energy sector, really this video is going to help you. I am R. Mahendran, founder of RDRC Resource Development Research Center. Today we are going to learn very important thing in this video, which is going to very much help you if you are planning to get the job in wind energy sector, or if you are already working in the renewable energy sector. The important information is what is the wind potential in India at new heights, 100-meter hub heights and 120-meter hub height, where you can get this information. So let us explore the option and we can learn the state-wise wind potential available in India at 100-meter hub height and 120-meter hub height. These informations available for us from Ministry of New and Renewable Energy Sector website itself. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy website itself, we can find this information. So the website address is mnre.gov.in, where you can visit especially you go to menu and click wind. From there you can click the basic current status. You can come to this particular page where you can find what is the wind potential available in India at various hub height. We are going to focus on 100 meter and 120 meter because future turbines are going to come at that height only. This calculation or estimation is done by National Institute of Wind Energy, NIWE. They have installed 800 wind monitoring stations all over the country. Based on these data, the wind potential map is derived at 50 meter and 80 meter. Then from that, they estimated the values for 100 meter and 120 meter hub height. Based on this information, the gross wind power potential available at our country for 100 meter hub height is 302 gigawatt. For 120 meter, we have 695.5 gigawatt. Mostly these potential available only in 7 states. We can find the state names: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. With these 7 states, totally we cover 292.97 gigawatt for 100 meter hub height. For 120 meter, we cover almost 651.72 gigawatt. So you can find almost more than 80% of the potential available in this 7 state itself. The remaining 9.28 gigawatt from other states, all other states, we can get it from all other states for 100 meter hub height. For 120 meter, we can get 43.78 gigawatt more from the all other remaining states in India. So totally for 100 meter hub height, we have the potential of 302.25 gigawatt, and for 120 meter, we have the 695.50 gigawatt. This is the potential available. As of now, India has very great targets to achieve. We can just look into those data also. If you come down, you can check how we are progressing in achieving our targets. India plan to install 60 gigawatt. We have the target of achieving 60 gigawatt. As on today, like from 2016 to now, you can see every year how we progress. Like 2016, we installed almost 27 gigawatt. And 2017, you can find it is like 32 gigawatt. 2018, little bit addition, we have 34. 33, 34 gigawatt. 2019, we added 33 more and 35 or 36 gigawatt. Now, as on today, we reached 2021, we reached 39 gigawatt. So these are the actually installed capacity. Now you can understand it is like even we consider as a 100-meter height, it is like the 10% only we reached, almost a little bit higher than the 10%. If you consider 120-meter, it is very huge amount of potential available in India to explore. So by considering this, if you look into the future of wind energy sector in India, it is very huge. So you can plan if you are in wind energy sector, you will be having a great career for a longer period, because only 10%, less than 10% we explore, and rest of the 90% we need to achieve. And it is need of our, because without energy, especially electrical energy, human life is unimaginable. So the renewable energies are going to play very critical role, especially wind energy and solar. They are going to dominate. If you see this estimation and actual installed capacity, then you can find the gap, like how much more we need to install. So based on that, you can think like how to enter into this sector, and you can plan how to build a career within the wind energy sector. Also, this is compared to any other energy or other energy sources, more greener. So you can think of getting to the renewable energy sector. The people who want to know more about renewable energy sector or new energy sources, you can visit mnre.gov.in and get more detail about those sector, so that you can plan, especially for the students. They are going to complete their courses, or final year, they are in final year, they can think of getting to the renewable energy sector. Not only in wind energy, you can think of any other new renewable energy sources. You can find all the information available here. So you can decide which is suitable for you, then get into the particular industry based on your interest. So now coming back to the means total potential and installed capacity, it's very clear. You have a lot of scope to do. Now you can see the map itself. You can see how much installed in each state. Tamil Nadu, it is 9.6 gigawatt, and coming to Karnataka, 4.9 gigawatt. For Andhra, yes, again it's 4 gigawatt. Coming to Telangana, it's 128 megawatt. Maharashtra, 5 gigawatt. And coming to Gujarat, it's 8.56 gigawatt. So these are the leading. Rajasthan is 4.3 gigawatt. Madhya Pradesh, 2.5 gigawatt. So these 7 states are dominating. Okay. You know the reason. We will learn all the stuffs, why these 7 states are dominating in the wind industry, and the unexplored potential is more. So let us see. In the future videos, we can learn more about how this calculation is done by NIWE, National Institute of Wind Energy. And that will give you a lot of information about the wind industry and the calculation methods they used. I hope this information is useful for the people who are already working in renewable energy sector, or the people who are interested to get into the renewable energy sector. With this, I also request to all the people who are doing any research project, they can also think of identifying the project which is related to renewable and new energy sources, which will help India to achieve clean and green energy leader in the globe, because we have a lot of human resources. I think we can do it. Apart from this, from RDRC, there are a small contribution to the renewable energy sector, because I worked in the industry more than 15 years. So one another initiative from my side to support the people who want to build career in renewable energy sector or who want to find jobs in renewable energy sector. So the Sustainable Lifestyle Hub is one of the new initiative started. Surely it is going to help many people start contacting me to find their jobs as well as getting consulted to build the career. So the people, if you are a graduate or a student, you want to get guidance to identify the job in wind energy sector, you can book appointment directly here. Same way, if you are a working professional in wind energy sector, and if you want to get some guidance on building the career in wind energy sector, you can also contact me. Same way, the people who want to build a sustainable lifestyle. Since I work in wind energy sector, it's a sustainable energy source. I always inspire of sustainable lifestyle also, which I learned from my family members, my parents. Still, I inspired by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. That's why I built this sustainable lifestyle hub. You can find many information related to this. Just search in the Google United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. You will get a lot of information. If any of you, either you are working in wind energy sector or not working in the wind energy sector, but still you want to build a sustainable lifestyle, feel free to book here. We can build a sustainable lifestyle for you also together. So this is a starting point. More things I am going to launch to support sustainable lifestyle as well as sustainable career growth in wind energy sector, always to find the job in new and renewable energy sector. I hope a lot of information and initiatives from Ministry of New and Renewable Energy also happening that we go to utilize. Okay. If you are from Tamil Nadu and you want to get some information, I have one good news for you also. Before going to that, I initiated one important Facebook group. You can join from here directly. It's a VIP group for you. People who are interested in building sustainable lifestyle as well as identifying jobs in renewable energy sector. And if you are already in the renewable energy sector, you are most welcome to join the group, Facebook group. Just click here and you can join. Or you have another option to join using join VIP group. So this is going to help you. Now coming to the people who are from Tamil Nadu, and especially for the people from rural area, if they are little bit struggle in communication, especially using English, and they can contact me using this website karuveli.mahendran.com. It's my pen name, where a lot of trainings for the people I'm giving in Tamil itself. So people who want to work in renewable energy sector or especially in wind energy sector, they can also book from here. So these services surely going to help you. Apart from other initiative, this is going to help you to get good guidance, so that I can surely confirm you that within 90 days you can get very good job, whatever you like, or the job exactly you love to do. So that is from my side. That's how I'm working. Hopefully these informations help you. If you found these informations helpful, please share with your friends. Again, I remind you, just visit mnre.gov.in, where you can get a lot of information related to new and renewable energy sources and the initiatives from the government and the new opportunities and innovation research related information, many things available. So you can get all those information, you can use it. Please share with your friends these websites, because it is there, but most of us don't know. From next video, I'm going to share a lot of information related to all our new and renewable energy sector and resources available, as well as what are the initiatives going on, and how we can use it for our career plan as well as our contribution to the country. Both the way it will help. Surely this kind of information going to help all our friends and every one of you. You can use it and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Mahendran, also known as Karuveli RaSa Mahendran.